Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lina Pavlova and today we are doing Refashion Project episode 9. For today's project I'm using this hockey style t-shirt. For this project you will need an eyelet pillar set. I am using eyelet pillars that helps me to create project like this. You can also apply the eyelets anywhere on the project and not just on the edges. Initially I was nervous to try the tool set, but after practicing with a couple it was the easier and most efficient way to apply them on the garments. You can also get these products in all different sizes and colors because one is just not enough. Follow the tutorial and see the result. Begin by deciding where you want the design to be. I wish I had different sizes to play around. Insert the eyelets into hole from the right to wrong side of fabric. I did use the eyelet pillars around the collar. Continue until you get your desired result. As you can see, I formed a V-neck look. I love how cool this looks and even got the cool mom approval. My 7-year-old son asked if I could make him one. You can use these products so many different ways. I hope you enjoy my video. Bye now.